Your marketing team is putting in the hard yards to get you more traffic. Why make them wait to talk to sales and see your product? And by the way, your sales teams are following crucial playbooks to close more deals. Why stick to one-size-fits-all demos for all prospects? Two problems with a single end goal: to increase conversions and close more deals. Enter Fable's interactive demos. With Fable, you can create stunning interactive demos in less than 5 minutes. All of this with absolutely no engineering support needed. Using Fable is super simple. Here's a quick interactive demo of Fable itself. The first thing to do would be to record your demo. Using Fable's Chrome extension, you can click through the workflow of the product that you intend to create a demo of. Once you are done with the recording of the demo, the next thing would be to edit and customize your demo. To customize your demo, you go through any specific elements on your screen and make whatever changes it is. You can hide elements, you can blur elements, you can change text, replace images, and customize all you want with just a couple of few clicks. Once you do that, you can also talk about a few more additions to your demo. Once you're done with editing your demo, now you can also add a few guides. These guides can be in the form of text, audio, video, or images. These guides will help your viewers of the demo have a little more detail while they navigate through all the different steps that you intend to show in the workflow. Now that you've customized your demo, added your guides, you're now ready to publish and share your demo. It's pretty simple. With just a couple of clicks, you can embed your demo by copying the embed code and pasting it in any particular landing page. Now, you can also share this demo in the form of a URL or open it in a new tab. Once you do this, you are now ready to analyze the power of Fable's demo analytics. You will be able to see two different levels of Fable analytics. One is the overview, where you obviously know about the number of visitors for the demo, the conversion rates, etc. In addition to these, you can also see the lead specific activity, which is not limited to the devices that your leads are watching the demo from, the amount of time spent on each screen, etc. So yes, what are you waiting for? This is a little bit about Fable and how you can create your own interactive demos. Go ahead, sign up for a free trial and see you on the other side.